Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress website, or how to create a website on WordPress, starting by buying a domain, purchasing a domain, then how to install the WordPress on your domain, then until your website is go live on the internet. Sure. So I will recommend this hosting plan if you are around South Africa, but if you are somewhere in the country, you can choose Blue Hosting and Namecheap. There are a lot of platforms, but I'm just showing you a way, the steps, what you need to do and follow along. Then that's simple as it is. Okay, so the first thing, you have to click on Bluehost or wherever you are, then register or log in. You have already details. Mine, I already log in. Hello, my account, it's Melly over here. Then register on Bluehost. Then it's like this. The reason why I recommend this, it's much more cheaper. Okay, then type here under register a new domain, search your domain. Okay, I want to search Mzansi vendors. Let's register this domain and see if it's available. Okay, wow, congratulations, this domain is available. Okay, I'll choose .co.za, not .com, because it's much more expensive. Okay, let me add this on checkout. Okay, the next thing, I want to go to web hosting. Okay, make sure you select cPanel in any way you're purchasing a domain, but make sure you select cPanel. The cPanel, you select it. Then let's scroll down. Then this is cost 39 rand per month. Okay, the other ones, I will choose this one because it comes with 50 business email. This one 75. Then let's proceed, add to order. Okay, do you want this too? I will continue with this domain I already use on the shop, then use it on this domain. Okay, let's continue on checkout. Okay, here is it. We're at the cPanel. No, let me go back and show you one last thing. Decide here when I'm here to pay it monthly or annually. I just want to say I'm paid annually once so that I won't have monthly fees and everything. Then let's continue to check out because it's much more cheaper. Why I will pay it. Okay, so on checkout we have the cPanel edit, which is the web hosting. Then we have the domain registration. All in all, it cost 48,400 and what. Then proceed to checkout. Okay, now on checkout we have to include your billing details and everything. Then decide whether you paying fast using your bank cards, you add your bank details, or you transfer. Then complete your order. Then it will take you straight to the cPanel. Okay, so now I don't have money, I won't buy anything. Let me just show you the steps from the free sites to get a domain and web hosting, but the process is almost the same, guys. Just stay tuned. I just to show you how to get a domain, then this process is the same. Okay, let me go over here. It's called this one Infinity Freenet. This one is free, but it comes with the funny domains there, .co, .what. Okay, then you create a new account. Then you click here and type your domain. I'll also say Ngwane, just in case, just for fun, because I won't use it. Then search this domain. Okay, you can choose, maybe you want to do it on to apz.com. Yes, it's funny, it's going to be www.ngwane.apz.com. It's not like a professional. They already look now. I had to create a password. They already generated the username automatic. The password is fine. I'm just want to use this password for now because then yeah, that's it. I'm not a robot. create an account. Then cPanel, as I told you, you should use the cPanel, open on cPanel. Then the main point of using this is to show you how the cPanel looks, how the cPanel feels, what the next step you should do, you should take from the cPanel. Okay, this is a cPanel. In every web hosting, cPanel looks like this. Okay, then you have to scroll down on the cPanel. You can create your professional business email on your cPanel where they say email. Then scroll down until you find software. Then install the Softaculous apps installer. Then you're on the Softaculous apps installer now. Just wait for it to finish to load. It usually take. Okay, it's loaded. Why now? Let's reload it. Let me reload it. Okay, we'll get there. Why? But you have to click this Softaculous what? Softaculous. Scroll down again. Softaculous apps install. Softaculous app install. Yeah, here's the Softaculous app install. Then install WordPress. We're installing WordPress now. Then this is how your website looks. Okay, the website, give it a site name. I'll leave it like this. Give it a description. Then your password, admin password, change your password, this password, and write your own password. And then your username, I will call this admin for now. Okay, then run install theme here. Just click on install down here. Then it's installing up here. It's installing WordPress now. Boop. Congratulations, your website look like this, but if you're purchasing a domain, it will look professional like .co.za.com. But now this is a free, it's look funny with all this thing. Then click on the administrative URL. It will take you to WordPress. Then it will take you to WordPress. Then you start creating. So it's a free, sometimes give a lot of problems not to install. But when you're here, you are good to go. Just click on this administrative link or return to WordPress management. Then this is how your website looks now. Okay, let's wait. This is how it's blank because we didn't do anything. It's just blank. Then you click here on login. Then it'll take you to WordPress. Then it's when on WordPress you will start installing a theme, then customize it. Then your website will be live on the internet. Then just share your URL. People, they will see this thing. Okay, for another WordPress tutorial how to create a website on WordPress, you can check on my videos down here. There are a lot of videos explaining how to do what on WordPress. Okay, make sure you like. If you like this video, if you enjoy watching this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, and comment and share. Thank you guys. See you next time. Stay blessed. That's it for today.